Hey everybody, I'm back with another update of what's happening here in Southern Utah, and today I'm back at Red Cliffs, where a lot's happened since the last time I was here. A lot of people know the mall is under complete renovation, new stores, new restaurants, new entrances. Everything is shaping up to be an amazing renovation here. They've had a lot of work done since the last time I was here. Look forward to showing you, so let's get started. First up, we'll start over here where the new plaza is, along with the new shops and restaurants that are going in. The first shop is open, which is Lululemon. I know a lot of people are excited to have them over here full time now here in St. George. That's been open about a month now. Next to them, we've got Wanasin, which is cinnamon rolls. They're set to open sometime in April or May. Next to that is Kai Sushi. They just got their permit back, should start construction on the inside here pretty soon. They're looking to be open in March. And then next to them is Chico's, which was here previously. They're moving back from their position in the mall to out here, and that should be open January 1st. The only one that hasn't been confirmed on this new strip right here is a 4,000 square foot restaurant space. I'm hoping to have more info on that soon, and once I do, I will definitely update. Along with these shops that I've mentioned is the plaza, which is fully landscaped pretty much at this point, just waiting on the fountains. This is going to be where they can entertain events, host parties, all different kinds of things are going to be going on here, and as well as just a place for people to come and hang out. I think this is going to be a really cool addition and look forward to seeing it all finished. Along with this new addition over here, taking over the old Arby's is Jaybird's Southern Chicken. They are just waiting on their permit, should be able to start construction on that soon, and hoping to be open in the spring as well. Now we'll head inside where we've got a couple other changes in the works. The first one being One Love Babe, which is an online clothing boutique store that's getting their first location. They're gonna go in where Chico's has been during this renovation. So once Chico's is out, they will begin moving in there. Right around the corner from there, a lot of people are excited for C's Candy to be back in action. They've recently reopened right in front of the JCPenney, and I know everyone is really excited about that one. So looking forward to these two, along with Al's Sporting Goods, which is under construction currently in the old Sears building that was announced a few months back. That one is making good progress on construction. They're hoping to be open this spring as well, sometime around March. And that one is also going to be a big hit here, as it has all kinds of sporting goods stuff. And I know they're really excited to get open. So stay tuned for progress on those, and we'll update as we get closer. From here, we'll head over to the other entrance where the Pizza Pie Cafe used to be. They're redoing this entry along with the other entry over by the plaza. Those are both set to be done in January. This restaurant, though, is still to be determined. It's going to be an indoor-outdoor patio type restaurant. Don't have any info just yet, but hoping to have some soon. Now going back into the parking lot, as you can see here, we've got a lot of dirt right here in the middle of the parking lot. This is for the new entrance that's going to go in and will replace the two current entrances that are here as is right now. So what you'll see is the closure of those two, and then a brand new big entrance right here where this dirt is. That is set to finish sometime in January, along with the other entrance that's going to be on the backside along Mall Drive. Back by the old movie theater, they're putting in another entrance that will filter right into the Al's. These will both be done in January, and I know is going to be a big help with the traffic around these parts. Now to finish up, we'll talk about the Hash House A Go-Go building, which is currently set up to be a Christmas village all the way through the end of the year. There will be a Christmas village here, as well as a skating rink over in the plaza, and we'll have a train that kind of goes back in between the two. I know they're really excited to host this. Should be a really fun addition to the mall. So that will be set up through the end of the year. As far as the restaurant goes, there isn't anything confirmed just yet, but they are working with a tenant on a letter of intent. Hoping to have some more info soon, as I know a lot of people want that thing filled up again. And that's a wrap, guys. As you can see, a lot of good stuff happening here at Red Cliffs. The renovations are awesome, and I'm looking forward to seeing all these new stores open. For more info on what's happening here in Southern Utah, you can call me or text me, 435-668-7293, or find me on Facebook, LinkedIn, or Instagram. Thanks, guys.